Structure of the balance sheet is easy. Each item of assets, liabilities, and shareholders' equity are listed and then added to calculate the total amount. Depending on the company's operation and the industry it operates in, the balance sheet items may vary. These items represent the typical balance sheet. It is critically important to check the debit and credit side of balance sheet are always equal. For that purpose, we use the formula, absolute value, assets minus liabilities and equity to make sure the difference is smaller than our tolerance, in this case 0.01. In column D, we put another formula to make sure all those formulas show true. If column D is true, it means that all of the formulas within the row are true. If column D is false, there must be at least one false within the row, indicating that debit and credit sides are not equal in some of the years. The column D cells is sometimes called audit cell, as it audits and tests whether the spreadsheet is functioning properly. Rather than true or false, it is much more intuitive if the audit cell indicates by color. We can use conditional formatting function to achieve this. If the value of cells is true, then we fill the cell by light green, whereas if the value is false we fill it by red. Whenever we see cells or rows filled by red, it immediately tells us that something is wrong there. As will be demonstrated, number format semicolon, 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 will hide the results of the calculation results. In this case, the audit cells will no longer show true or false, and only indicates by color, just like traffic lights. Here's actually how the color indications work. Whenever both sides of the balance sheet do not equal, red flag shows in that particular period. Only when all the years are green, then audit cell in the D column is green. All green, all good. Continuing from the income statement we built in the last video, it takes about 2 minutes to build the balance sheet format.